Right guys, so this part of the video is actually in collaboration with a brand called Wiskf. I think it's pronounced, but it's spelled W-I-S-F, and they have sent me the most adorable bags. Like, you guys are going to be so surprised. Like, they're just so cute, and I'm really actually quite shocked myself in the quality considering the price. So let's start. Let me just show you what they've sent me, because I feel like this is the ideal place and time to show you guys. I had an email, they spoke to me and they were like, can you choose some stuff? And I thought, okay, yeah, I'll have a look. I actually went on the site and I was just really pleased with the actual aesthetic of the brand, the way they actually placed everything. Everything was really easy to find, lots of different options, and very kind of like simple but yet elegant. So the first item that I chose, because I had been contemplating on another tote bag, because I'm obsessed with tote bags, as we know, and however, so I decided to go with this as my pick. So it's this gorgeous tote bag that's, I'd say it's made out of canvas, and it's got like, you can choose on what initial you would like on your bag itself. So this is the S, obviously, for my name because it's Zimran, and also inside you've got like a pocket, so it's quite spacious as well. Can you guys see? Right, so there's a pocket on the inside. There's lots of room on the inside as well. The pocket has zips, so you can keep money or anything, you know, private that you want to keep in there, maybe your phone or something. So that's there for you guys. I love the fact that it also came with a bow. However, I feel like I could probably put my, let me grab it. I would also put my Louis Vuitton bandeau on top. I feel like that matches really well as well. I just think it's such a beautiful bag, guys. So look, and you can wear it on your shoulder. You could wear it obviously on your hand like this. It's just a gorgeous, gorgeous bag. I love it. I'm really obsessed. To go with this, I also then selected a makeup bag with my initial on, because I've always wanted one, and I thought now is the ideal time. I love the fact that the color is black, because obviously with makeup you do tend to get stains, so rather be safe than sorry. So I went with this with the makeup bag as well. And then the final item was this. Let me show you guys. So the final item that I'm going to show you, and the reason why I saved it till the last, because I feel like it's the best, but actually I like the tote as well. I think the tote's like the best too. However, back to this. So this is a gorgeous little, I don't even know how to describe it, whether you want to call it a bum bag. However, it comes, it's this like white. It's very Chanel-like. That's how I can only think of the words to describe this bag itself. It's got like a zip here. It's quite spacious on the inside, so I know it's going to hold a lot of my belongings. I love the fact that there's red inside. I think it makes it quite rich looking, royal looking as well. These straps here are also detachable as well. So you've got like a little loop here. Can you see that? That basically you can take off and you can put on. So you can actually extend the size of this bag. So like, just like so. So if you kind of wanted to make it like a shoulder bag, guys, you could. Can you see me? Which I think is gorgeous. I would wear this as a shoulder bag. You could also have it as a crossbody as well, because obviously the strap is long enough to actually wear as a crossbody. Let me just show you guys, since we're doing this, right? So you can wear this as a crossbody like so. Like so, and it becomes like a gorgeous crossbody bag. But I just feel like this, I mean, even this just reminds me of Chanel so much. However, not only can you wear this like 2 different ways already, it also comes with this. So it's another strap that you can actually attach on to the bag itself. And then you can also wear it, you know, like on the days where you want to be hands-free. So literally you can wear this like so. Which is so cute, right? I mean, how beautiful, right? I'm obsessed with this bag. I think it's so, so cute. So how, I mean, just how cute is that? Close the curtain, because I feel like maybe you can't see me. So once again, you can wear it as a shoulder bag, like so. You can also wear it as a crossbody bag. Like so. I mean, gorgeous, right? Like, how cool is this? I am obsessed with this bag. It also does come in the color black, and I feel like maybe I need the color black as well. I went with white because, you know, I love anything white anyways, and it's like a color that I just love wearing all the time. However, you know, sometimes you gotta wear color in life. So yeah, so that was what I'm going to do for you guys. Is I'm actually going to link all these bags underneath in the description box for you guys so you can have a look yourself. So that was the crossbody bag with the very beautiful Chanel vibe. It's also the makeup bag that they've also kindly sent me, and this gorgeous tote, which I'm obsessed with. So cute, right? So that was my quick mini unboxing with you guys. I hope you have enjoyed, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.